Hi everyone, you already saw on the thumbnail what I'm going to draw in this video, so let's start without wasting any second. Start drawing by the two lines for the eyes, so the eyes will stay equal to each other in the same line. And draw the eyes by this simple way, first drawing the upper line and drawing the water line, and then just following the reference photo. Then we have to draw the lens, a small lens in the middle. You can take this video as a tutorial if you are a quick learner, because in this video I may not be telling any easy way, but I'm drawing it through the easy way. Like, this may not be looking complex to you for drawing. And before proceeding further, tell me in the comments which character should I draw next. And also in the end of the video, comment down if you find this tutorial easy or not. And if you are still watching, like the video. You don't have to subscribe my channel, actually just watch this video and that's enough. After drawing the eyes and the eyebrows, draw this line from the eyebrows straight down for the nose and just two tiny nostrils a little down from that line, and then this line is for mouth, a little down from the nostrils, and then draw a half circle. Draw the teeth and the tongue in the end. Little more distance from the mouth, draw the chin, and on the both sides of the eyes draw these two lines for the face shape, and in this way it will be easy to draw. Then draw the jaws on both sides and connect them to the lines drawn already, and then your face shape will be ready. Now simply drawing the forehead. Draw ears starting from the eyes and ending at the mouth. I may be sounding very formal because it's my first time recording the audio and I'm recording in English, so don't mind. And guys, you can ask questions in the comment section about anything about drawing. I will love to reply and appreciate my work also. It will make me happy, and I am happy when I do videos, and then when people comment down on my videos, it makes me extremely happy, for sure, for real. Now I'm drawing the hairs, and you don't have to follow the reference picture as it is. You can draw the zigzag in any way, but make sure it look good. Guys, I really wanna go live and talk to the people around the world, but actually I don't have many followers, neither on Instagram nor on YouTube. But one day when I will gain a lot of subscribers and followers, I will do live streams and talk to you, read your comments, and draw in the live streams. That's my dream, you can say. Now I'm drawing his facial tattoos. I don't know what are they, but they seem like facial tattoos. I am not gonna do much shading in this video because this tutorial is basically for beginners, but a next tutorial will come of this same drawing or sketch in which I will do a lot shading. And here, tada, our basic sketch is done. Now let's do outline with the not darkest, it's just darker 10B pencil, and let's do outline with this quickly. Outline is finally done, and let's do a little shading, beginner shading. Now I'm using this light pencil again to shade lightly. And this is 4B pencil which I'm gonna use to shade in the facial tattoos, and it's not very dark. I really hope to meet you in the next video. Love you guys. Bye bye.